How to remove your YouTube account from TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove our YouTube account from TV. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can remove your YouTube channel from your TV, your Google account that you have used in order to create a YouTube channel from your TV, these are the processes you may follow in order to do so. First of all, you need to launch the YouTube application on your device, your mobile device. After that, head over to your profile at the bottom right, and after heading up to your profile at the bottom right below your channel name, you'll be able to find your Google account here. Just go to that Google account option on the second beside the switch account, and you'll be taken to your Google account settings. Just wait for it to load up onto your device. After it is loaded up, you'll be finding this home, personal info, data, and privacy section. Just switch up to the security option. Just swipe right to the security option. Just click on security. After that, you'll be able to find different security options here. You're just gonna look up for the option called your devices here and go on with manage all devices. Just go to manage all devices, and after going here, you'll be able to find your TV as well here if you have logged in using your TV. If you have logged in into your TV using your this Google account. And for example, I have logged in into 3 devices. So let's say this one is my TV. So I'm just going to click on it. And when you click on that application, you'll be finding this option called sign out. Very easily, just click on it and you'll be signed out of that particular device. So you may just follow the same process in order to log out your Google account from your TV. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.